Today we're going to be making my favorite mac and cheese. To make my favorite mac and cheese, you need a well-oiled dish, some macaroni, butter, milk, some mixed cheese, some hot tortilla chips, and some cheese puffs. Secret for you. If you want to make the cheesiest mac and cheese in the world, first you get your cheese puffs and for you. If you don't only want some nice and cheesy macaroni and you want to add a bit of kick to it, you can add some spicy tortilla chips to spice it up.